So our first stop out of curiosity was the Costco in Iceland. It's about 30 miles or 46 kilometers, and it takes about 30 to 45 minutes by car. Your membership from the US, or if you have another Costco where you live, is applicable to the Iceland Costco. We had the idea to stop by, get some snacks for the road, maybe some drinks, and just see what the Costco looked like in Iceland.
They sell almost exactly the same things.
We walked around the whole store except for the frozen section since we wouldn't have anywhere to store our things. And it looks like they have almost all the same things that the US has, but a little bit of a different selection. So we spent a lot of time in the snack aisle, and they have different kind of pastries. We ended up just getting a few things such as stroop waffles. Our initial idea was to get ramen if we could and eat those for dinner. So we spent a lot of time looking at the ramen or instant noodle options, which there was quite a lot.
They have non-spicy too. Actually not bad. They even have curry flavored. Wow. Wow. Wow.
That's Costco samples.
We recommend trying the hot dog at Costco because it was really good. And that was the short tour. We don't know if we'd come here again because we didn't make use of all the items, but if you are doing the camper van life, then this might be a good stop for you.